Want to grow a YouTube channel in 2025 without ever showing your face, using your voice, or being on camera? Welcome to the ultimate faceless YouTube channel guide. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up, this video will walk you through exactly how to launch and grow a faceless channel this year, step by step. Step 1. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. You're creating content without ever appearing on camera. No face, no voice, no problem. In 2025, this model is exploding because AI tools have made it easier than ever to create high-quality content with minimal time or effort. Some popular faceless channel styles include list videos, animated explainers, motivational montages, tutorials with screen recordings, compilation and narration style formats. And yes, many of these channels are earning real money. Step 2, tools. You need to get started. Let's talk tools. Here's what I use and recommend for beginners. 1. ChatGPT for writing full YouTube scripts fast. 2. 11 Labs for generating natural-sounding voiceovers from your scripts. 3. Pictory for turning your voiceover and script into a fully edited video with visuals, B-roll, and subtitles. 4. Canva for creating thumbnails. Free version works great. Optional, if you want to speed things up, some people use stock footage platforms or automated video generators. But what I just mentioned is more than enough to get started and grow. Step 3, how to pick a profitable niche. If you want to succeed, niche selection is everything. YouTube is saturated with vague topics like make money online. So your niche needs to be specific, profitable, and searchable. Here are 5 profitable faceless niches in 2025. AI and tech reviews, personal finance and investing, motivation/self-improvement, celebrity facts and biographies, tutorials, and how-to explainer videos. Want to find your own niche? Use YouTube's search bar and the trending tab in your analytics. Look for topics people are already searching for, with consistent demand. Step 4, how to make money without being monetized. Here's what most beginners miss. You don't need 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours to earn. You can make money with affiliate links, like 11 Labs, linked below, digital products, sell Notion templates, guides, or PDFs. Brand deals. Yes, even small creators can land these. YouTube Shorts bonuses or partner features if eligible. The key is to treat your channel like a business, not a hobby. Now that you've got the roadmap, it's time to take action. Watch this video next. How I'd grow a faceless YouTube channel from 0 to 100 subscribers fast. Linked in the description. It shows how I'd build momentum if I were starting over today. If this helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's build this together, where even if no one sees your face,